Hello students. In this video we will discuss about chapter 3 Weather and Climate of class 5 Social Studies. In previous video I have discussed about the weather and climate, the differences between the weather and climate, and I have also discussed about the factors that determine the weather and the factors that determine the climate also. Okay, now first one is the factors. These are the factors, and first one is the latitude, distance from the equator. Okay boys, means India lies in the tropical and subtropical zones. Therefore, the temperature is quite high throughout the country. Okay. Places near the equator are hotter than the places far from the equator. You can see in this picture. Okay, means it shows, the diagram shows that the rays are falling, the sun rays are falling over the equator. Are you able to see? The sun rays are falling vertically near the equator. Okay, and in the polar regions the sun rays are slanting. Okay, and they are spread on a large area. Therefore, places near the equator receive more heat than the places far from the equator. Okay, now come to the next point. The next, depending upon the amount of heat received, there are three heat zones. First one is torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Okay, torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Now come to the torrid zone. On both sides of the equator, the region lying between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone. And this zone gets the direct rays of the sun all the year round. Okay, so the climate is hot and humid. Okay, now second one is temperate zone. This region is neither hot nor very cold. It lies between the torrid zone and the frigid zone in both the hemispheres. Now come to the frigid zone, means the frigid zone is the coldest zone. Okay, the region lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is called the frigid zone. And the frigid zone receives very slanting rays of the sun and is therefore it is very cold zone. Okay, now next point is altitude or height above the sea level. Means, do you know why people go to the hill stations in summer? Okay, mean all of you are visited any hill stations. Means the higher we go, the cooler it becomes. Okay, it is because temperature falls with height gained. It is cold in the high mountains because mountains are located at a high altitude. Okay boys, and there is an example, Ludhiana and Simla are at the same distance from the equator, but Simla is cold whereas Ludhiana is hot in summer. And the reason behind it that Simla is located 2150 meters above the sea level, whereas Ludhiana is only 250 meters above the sea level. Okay, now come to the next point, wind. Means a constant cool winds make the climate cooler and a hot wind makes it warmer. Okay, means what? For example, Delhi gets colder in winters when cold winds blow down from the Himalayas, and it gets hotter in summer when the hot wind called the Loo blows. Okay, understood, boys? Now come to the distance from the sea. Okay.